Hello grade 5, this is Miss Rabah Hagar from Nur المعارف private school. Today we will have unit 2 lesson 3. Lesson 3 is practice time. Our lesson today we will complete the past simple tense. Last time we talked about the regular verbs that takes d or ed or ied. These verbs, when we change them into past, we add d, ed or ied. This time we will have the irregular verbs. The regular verbs is the verbs that do not take d or ed or id. For example, here we cannot add ed to drink. For example, when we change, what shall we do? When we change drink into past, we will say drank. So these verbs, the irregular verbs, changes when we change them into past. They do not take d, ed or ied. For example, drink will be drank, drink, drank. Win, won, win, won. Ride, rode, ride, rode. Go, went, go, went. Go, went. Take, took, take, took. Buy, bought, buy, bought. Eat, ate, eat, ate. See, saw, see, saw. Here these verbs changes. We must memorize them. We must remember them. We will have the affirmative and negative form from the past. The affirmative form. First, we start with the affirmative form. What is the affirmative form from the past? In the sentence in the affirmative form, we came with the second form of the verb. The verb in the past simple tense. For example, here, the boys went on a ride. Yesterday. Here, yesterday refers to the past. Yesterday here refers to the past. Yesterday refers to the past. So we say went. We say went. Went here is the past from go. Because of yesterday we cannot say go. So we say went. The boys went on a ride. Negative form. How we change the sentence into negative? Or how can we form a sentence in a negative form in the past? For example, here she took pictures yesterday. We want to change this sentence into negative. What shall we do? First, we came with didn't. We came with didn't. Then we add the infinitive form of the verb. For example, here she took pictures last week. Again, she took pictures last week. We look at the verb here, took. Took is in the past simple tense. How can we change this verb into negative? First, we came with didn't. Then the infinitive. What is the infinitive form of took? It's take. Look here. So we say she didn't take pictures. She didn't take pictures. We came with didn't, then with the infinitive. Can we say didn't took? No, we can't. We say didn't take. So it's didn't plus infinitive. More examples. Ali played football yesterday. Ali played football yesterday. How we change this sentence into negative? Ali played football yesterday. First, we look at the verb. It's played. So, we came with a negative. We change it into negative by saying didn't. By saying didn't. Didn't plus what? The main verb. The verb here, we must came with the verb into the infinitive. So, we say Ali didn't. The infinitive from played is play. يبقى Ali didn't play football yesterday. Ali didn't play football yesterday. Here's the sentence. They ate lunch 2 hours ago. They ate lunch 2 hours ago. We look here to the verb. The verb here is ate. Ate is in the past simple tense. So when we change into negative, we say didn't. We say didn't. Didn't plus the infinitive. Ate here, what is the infinitive from ate? It's eat. So the answer will be they didn't eat. They didn't eat lunch 2 hours ago. Now look at your book, at the student's book. She bought tickets in the affirmative form. She bought tickets. Negative here. She didn't eat cotton candy. She didn't eat cotton candy. The affirmative. The verb in the past simple tense. The negative didn't plus the infinitive. Some verbs in the past: drink, drank, eat, ate, win, won, go, went, see, saw, have, had, buy, bought, take, took. In the examples in your student book or in the exercise in your student book, they want you to claim the first sentence will be affirmative, the second sentence will be negative, and both of them must be in the past simple tense. For example, here, he say see a show. We will change it into past, so we'll say they saw a show. Second one is negative. They didn't have lunch. Can we make number 2? Picture number 2 will be she took pictures. She didn't win a prize. She took pictures. She didn't win a prize. Number 3. Okay. We had, the past from have is had. We had lunch. We didn't see a show. You won a prize. You didn't take pictures. You didn't take pictures. He went on a ride. He didn't drink juice. I drank juice. I drank juice. I didn't go on a ride. I drank juice. I didn't go on a ride. So, for the last time, if we want to form a sentence in the past simple, in the affirmative form, we came with the second form of the verb. What can we do? What shall we do if we want to change it into negative? We will say didn't plus the infinitive. Didn't plus the verb in the plus the verb into the infinitive. The verb in the infinitive form. The verb in the infinitive. Here the past simple, second form of the verb. The negative didn't plus infinitive. Didn't plus infinitive. That's all for today. It's goodbye.